So here I'm going to do a brief description of how I modified that panel to remove the access point for the antenna. Gives it a little bit smoother look. And given I was already going to be painting this panel, it was a pretty fast project. It'd be a little different if you weren't planning on painting it anyways, but you can see now they basically look symmetric, a little bit cleaner look. I've performed the body work with filler application, primer. It's smooth. You cannot tell hand or visually, tactile or visually, where that repair was. Okay. Showing the back of the panel here. So you can see that it's just a little piece of metal. I rounded off the edges, just clip it with a shears or whatever you want to use, and then curved it to fit the back of the fender. Now that metal has to be prepared very well. You can see how that fits there. It's all coated and actually ready to go on the back side there. I'll show you how I did that and what I used. I've shown this in other videos, but this stuff here is panel bonding adhesive. So I prepared the metal with this. You can use other things too. This is 24 grit roll lock angle grinder, and make that metal nice and rough, and then use a nice like say wax and grease remover or paint prep solution, lacquer thinner, whatever you want to use to clean that metal super well. And then use the panel bonding adhesive. Now you can see there's two of them there. This is impact resistant, this is panel bonding adhesive. This one is cheaper, this one is more expensive. This one here, as mentioned, is impact resistant. For this application, these work equivalent. But under official repair use, repairing a vehicle after motor vehicle crash, or etc., you'd have to pay attention to what goes where, and the manufacturer will dictate that. Anyways, but for this type of project, either one works great. They're both super strong. I applied them using this system here, which I bought that used for a fraction of the price of what a new one costs. And there are other ways to do it though. There are similar application guns that are similar to like a caulking gun, but specific to something with a catalyst and the actual bonding material. But this is a very nice system. There's other ways to do it, but this made a really pretty rapid project out of this, and say a very acceptable outcome. Now a cleaner look. If you got questions or want details, just ask in the comments. But I'll have other projects like this, and I'll show ways to do this with welding.